Hey, this is Lucia, and today we are going to make something special. It's a creative decoration for our Thanksgiving table. The first thing we need to do is to get dry leaves. As you can tell, I have a lot in my yard. The best one is with a lot of texture.
Today we're going to use primary yellow and primary red. Always when we're going to mix two colors, first we deposit the paint in the palette, the lightest color. And after, we add the darker tone. The brush that we're going to use is a flat one and it's medium size. Let's start adding the red to the yellow, little by little, until we get the orange that we like. I'm going to start for a lighter tone of orange. I'm going to take a leaf and I'm going to paint it on the side with the most texture. I'll get the leaf again. I'm going to paint it again. And something very important. When we finish using the brush, we make sure to put it in the water. Because if we don't, it can dry and mess up. Because sometimes I forget and we can't use it anymore. We're going to get another leaf. We clean our brush. I also dry it off a little bit with my rag. And this time I want a darker orange. With this darker orange, I'm going to paint another leaf on the textured side. I'm going to paint the same leaf again. And that's how we'll keep going. Now with the red, I'm going to do the same with a different leaf. Let's clean our brush. We're going to add some yellow. And let's get another leaf. And we'll paint another leaf on the texture set. Since this leaf is really small, I'm going to paint the whole thing. We're going to repeat the process again. We'll repeat the process multiple times with oranges, with yellows, with reds, until we cover all of the little areas on the paper. You can leave some white, but make sure you get texture all over it. And here's a little part that I missed. When we've finished, we're gonna let it dry. And we're gonna clean our brushes and our palette. We're gonna clean our brush with water and soap, because if it dries, we won't be able to use it again. So let's take care of our materials. Now, after it's dried, we turn it over. We're going to divide it. On the horizontal side at 4 inches to divide it into 3 parts. And we make a straight line. Without pressing down hard, write a very soft line. And now on the vertical side, we're gonna do 3 inches. And we do the same with a straight line. Grab some scissors and we're gonna cut the lines that we drew in, being very careful to cut very straight lines. And with an eraser, we're gonna erase the pencil lines that might have stuck. Now we've got our cards all cut. They turned out great, right? Now we need a marker. I chose a brown one, but you can use whatever color that you like. I think a brown looks good, or an orange or a red. This is what I had in my house. So we're gonna write our guest names. I like that it's done in the corner. This time I'm gonna do it on this corner because it's the lighter side. And on the back of the design, we're gonna write something nice for each one of our guests of why we're thankful for them. For example, for my husband Josh, that's me, I'm gonna tell him, thank you for making me laugh when I'm sad and for being so fun. Now what we're gonna do is to decorate our tables. This is my Meemaw's house.
I hope you enjoyed the video today. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you soon!